Hello, students. A very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing great. In today's class, I'm going to discuss about the importance of breast milk. So, what do we understand by breast milk? Breast milk or mother's milk is produced by mammary glands of female's breast. Breast milk is the natural food for infant and it is the primary source of nutrition. It contains protein, carbohydrate like lactose and also other substances like vitamins, minerals, etc. It also contains substances that helps the infant to protect against infection, inflammation and different diseases. World Health Organization recommends only breast milk for the feeding of the infant for the first 6 months of their life, which is also known as exclusive breastfeeding. So there are three stages of breast milk which is present, and they are colostrum, transition milk and mature milk. Colostrum is the first secreted milk after delivery of the baby and it is lasting for 2 to 3 days. It is thick and yellowish in color. It is nutrient dense and higher in antibodies and also antioxidants. It is high in protein and different vitamins such as vitamin A, K, DHA or docosahexaenoic acid, different minerals, and also immunoglobulins are present there. Because of its rich golden color and immense benefits, it is also known as liquid gold. So, the several benefits of colostrum are it is rich in protein and the fat content is also low. Colostrum strengthens the baby's immune system and also helps to keep the harmful bacteria away from the baby's body. The concentration of DHA and vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin K are much more higher, and it helps the baby to clear the first poop that is known as meconium. Colostrum is very easy to digest and the zinc content is much more higher than the mature milk. Colostrum also helps to prevent low blood sugar in full-term babies, and the nutrition composition of the colostrum is given in the chart here, such as the energy present in colostrum is 58 kilocalorie, the calcium present in the colostrum that is 31 mg, and etc. So now we are coming to the second stage of the breast milk, that is transition milk. It is secreted after colostrum for the next 2 weeks and the quantity is also increased and the appearance as well as composition are also changes. The characteristics of transition milk are the protein content decreases, the fat and sugar content increases, and the immunoglobulins are also decreases. It contains anti-infective substances that protect the baby against infections. Now I'm going to talk about mature milk. So about 10 to 15 days after birth of the baby, mothers start making mature milk. This milk is secreted after the transition milk and is the main milk that's secreted throughout the major part of the lactation period. This will help the baby to get the right mix of nutrients at each feeding. So now I'm going to talk about the nutritional composition of breast milk. Human breast milk provides 65 kilocalorie energy per 100 ml of milk, which is enough for the infant. The main carbohydrate which is present in the breast milk is known as lactose. And the main protein which is present in the human breast milk is lactoalbumin and lactoferrin. Different amino acids are also present in the breast milk such as cysteine, methionine, taurine, tryptophan, etc. Taurine is an important neurotransmitter which is required for brain and retina development, and tryptophan is needed for the neurotransmitter or serotonin and is required in bigger amount. Next, different lipids such as unsaturated fats, essential fatty acids, prostaglandin, fat-soluble vitamins are also present in the breast milk. Unsaturated fatty acids such as eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid are extremely important for the brain development of the baby. Different minerals are also present in the breast milk, such as calcium, phosphorus, sodium, iron, etc. The calcium and phosphorus ratio is 2:1. The iron content is very low in the. So now I'm going to talk about several benefits of breast milk. Breast milk have anti-infective properties. The macrophages are present inside the breast milk, engulf and digest the bacteria, and both T lymphocyte and B lymphocytes are also present there. Different immunoglobulins or antibodies are also present, such as immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin G, and immunoglobulin N, which protect against various antigens like viruses and bacteria. Breast milk is a rich sources of hormones like TSH, thyroxine, corticosteroid, oxytocin, insulin, etc. In case of psychological aspect, the infant derives a sense of security and belonging during the act of breastfeeding, and a healthy mother and child relationship also develops. In case of economical aspect, breast milk is economic since it does not have to brought or prepared, and there is no wastage, and it is always fresh and ready to eat. And it also saves from financial losses incurred due to the medical expenses on respiratory problem or other gastrointestinal problem of infants. In case of other aspects, jaw and teeth formation are better in breastfeed infants. Breast milk is sterile and the chances of contamination are also very less, and incorrect formula feeding is also not common, and it also reduces the chances of allergic reactions in the baby. In case of mother, breastfeeding help in birth control and birth spacing. Due to breastfeeding, oxytocin released during lactation, which helps the uterus to return to normal size. And extra weight gain during pregnancy can also be shed due to breastfeeding. It saves time, energy, and money as well. So thank you so much, students, for attending the class. I hope you have enjoyed this chapter.